Hi, I'm Mr. McKay, and together we're going to write a 3, 2, 8 paragraph. Let's get writing. And for that, I need a topic. I'm going to write about things I like to eat. And I like pizza, bacon, and ice cream. I want my writing to be detailed, so I'm going to add 2 words for each of the foods that I like. Now it's your turn. Get a piece of paper. I've been using colors, but you just need a pencil or a pen. Write down 3 things, and it could be things you like to eat, things you like to do, could be people, anything that you want to write about. But then also add 2 words to describe or about each one. Pause the video and come back when you've done that. Let's begin with an introductory sentence that I also like to call a triple whammy because it has 3 things, uses commas and periods. It goes like this. I like to eat pizza, zoop, bacon, zoop, and ice cream. Urch! That's me talking the punctuation. So that's my introductory sentence. Go ahead and pause the video and write yours down. Let's add 2 sentences for pizza. The best pizza is cheese. Urch! When I stretch it out, it makes my friends laugh. Urch! Those are 2 pretty interesting sentences. I like to make my writing interesting. If I can include things like my friends, it makes it more interesting. Time to pause the video so you can write 2 more sentences on your paper. Do you like your bacon crispy? I sure do. Urch! It smells almost as good as it tastes. Urch! It's your turn now. Pause the video, write down your sentences. It's time now for the ice cream. The only ice cream I eat is mint flavored. Urch! I eat it so fast, it never melts. Urch! Now, just like before, it's your turn. Now we need a sentence at the end that talks about each of them. A closing sentence. I can't wait for my birthday when I can eat them all. Urch! How's that? Now, pause the video and think hard to make an interesting closing sentence. So, let's take a look at what we made together. These sentences are all about the same topic, and that makes them a paragraph. This is called a 3, 2, 8 paragraph because the first sentence lists 3 things. Each one of them gets 2 sentences each. And at the very end, there's one more closing sentence that makes it 8 sentences all together. It's a neat little recipe for making a paragraph, and I hope you find it useful. Take care.